Well, I am back. Golly. Back to the Cummins here. Don't look at the mess in here. Like, it is horrible right now. I had to move so much stuff to get this thing in here. Well, let me just go on up here and show you what we got going on. Alternator is out. My dad, well, I took the alternator off and one of the bolts, nuts for the wire on the back was loose, so he's taking both alternators to Riley's to get them tested, and I'll probably put it back in tomorrow because he's gonna take it to his work and switch the pulleys out on them if the one that was on here is bad. But it was pretty. I mean, it wasn't too bad. It just took a lot of time. Had to put this in there, get the belt loose, and all that nonsense. But I'm gonna go back to working on the inside here. So let me fix all these lights back. Oh, there's a mirror. Don't want to pull that light off the table. Alright, let me see if I can open the door. Oh no. Let me just grab this light. Put it right here for now. Sorry, I'm probably making y'all sick. Alright. What in the whole world? I just cleaned this thing. Where'd that come from? Oh, it's probably stained or something. But I got about half the truck clean. Let me raise the seat up for y'all. Got it cleaned back here. All with this top piece. Gotta clean it. I might eventually take this bottom tray out and put a sub in, but no time soon. And I got a question for y'all. Y'all think I should get a chrome or a black tip? Because see, my exhaust is already chrome. I think I'm gonna go with a black stainless steel. It's got a little bit like, it's black, but it's got like a chrome shine to it. It's like black chrome, I guess. It looks pretty good. I think it'll look good on here. But I'm gonna get back to cleaning this thing and I'll catch back with y'all in a few. Currently here at the parts truck. Right there it is. I don't know if I'll do much video, but I'm gonna grab the alternator off it and take it back to the house and put it on the Cummins. Hopefully this ain't too hard. But let's go get this alternator off and get back. Well, here's the parts truck. The alternator off. Okay, well, you can probably hear it running. I got the alternator in. I went to video the startup because it had been set for about 3 days, and then my phone died. So I've been letting my phone charge in here, and I got it running. I got a fan going, so I'll be blowing off smoke. But it wasn't too bad. I put the V10 alternator in there. It's doing pretty good. See if I can set y'all up right here against these rags, and I'm gonna rev it up a little bit. Cause I want to hear how the turbo noise sounds from the exhaust. And it is smoky in here. Like bad smoky. Let me see if I can get out here and show you how bad it is. Alright, I'm gonna watch that video because I'm curious to see how it sounds. Well, it's the next day, as y'all can see. I know this video has been all over the place, but one thing I'm supposed to do today, but I gotta put the performance tags on first. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the inside. I cleaned this half. I still got the other half to do. I couldn't get to that side in the garage because there's a far over that way. I'm thinking I'm gonna paint the gear shifters. Dash is cracked. I'll just probably put a dash cover over it. Hang on, let me pull this seat back. There's what it looks like from behind the seat. Go ahead and put this down. I'll show you the paint. It's got brand new paint. It's 6 months old. Right here is the front. I'll go to the other side and show you so you can hear me better. Here's that front. It's got the 3rd gen tow mirrors. It's got 10. It's got the factory headlights, but it's got LEDs in that right there. But I want to replace those because they're flickered. And put a new grill. Probably go with a black one or an S one. It's got Toyo all trims on it. Let's see right here. Well, it's got, I think, 285/75, and that's equal to 32.8 and like the 11.5 wides. So I could probably fit 20x12s under. Replace these and put LEDs in it because their backup lights don't work. Got the largest tags on it. It's got a gooseneck log. It's got brackets for running boards, but I probably won't put them on there. See, this side needs to be cleaned out. It's got 202,000 on it. Let's get in here for a second. It's been manual swapped. That's why the trans temp light's on. That's why it's got an overdrive light. Airbag light. He said it's been on ever since he got it. Let me show you. See if y'all can see it. Where the automatic shifter used to be back in there. It's got a JVC radio. But this is the only speaker that works. You can hear the dash vibrating right now where it's cracked. That one over there, all it has is bass, but it's blown too, and the two behind the seat, they're blown too. Probably pretty loud because we're over here on this side. It's got 4-wheel drive. It's got the rear back window. I gotta replace that piece right here. It holds this thing back. probably gonna take it off the parts truck. I don't know if I told y'all or not, but I think it's a 97 parts truck. It's a V10 though, that's the only bad thing, and this transmission came out of it. I took the alternator off it and put it on this truck. See if you can see the dash vibrating up there. Well, the whole truck is. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with that truck, honestly. It'd be pretty cool to get it running again, but I'd have to buy a transmission, and I'm not gonna do that. The alternator is charging pretty good. I just need to finish cleaning it up. There's no rips and tears in none of the seats. There's only a crack right here on this. I mean, this truck's honestly pretty clean. And the other night I drove to town when the alternator went out. The temperature hand barely moves on this truck. And when we got back home to check the alternator, the truck really didn't even feel hot. So I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. I mean, I'm sure it's a good thing, but let's see. Let me see if I can think of anything else I need to show y'all about the truck. I don't know if I already told you this or not. It's a 96 12 valve. It's got a 4-inch straight pipe. The guy said the fuel pump has not been messed with, but this thing, as y'all seen in the last video, it was quite a bit of smoke. And there's no way this thing could be stock. Because I mean, stock 12 valves don't do this. Y'all can barely see the twins fly. I'll get on it one day for y'all one day when I'm not right across the road from that car. And this thing sounds like so good. Alright, well, I'll catch y'all in a bit. I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. I might go for a little bit of drive. I might get my dad to video me driving it some. But I'll catch y'all in a bit. Like usual, coming to another end of the video. Sorry that this one was so long. Tell me if y'all like longer or shorter videos. Anyways, I hope y'all love the truck. I love it. Ever since I don't know how long it's been, I've seen this 12 valve at Walmart. It was idling just like this one, and it was smoking. After I seen that, I knew what I wanted. Man, I taste that smoke now. That does not taste too good. But anyways, I hope y'all like the truck. I don't know why I'm saying that again. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions or anything, comment them down below. Or if there's anything you want to help me out with about the truck, something that I need to know. See y'all.